Okay, just some things to avoid. At this point, I'm presuming you've got a draft speech in front of you. I just want you to read through it, and these are the things that you are trying to avoid. So, never start your speech by saying, "Hello, my name is Stephen Colber, and my topic today is." So, you've been asked to speak on a topic. Everyone knows that you're there to speak about a topic. It's kind of their job to sort of work out what that is, and for you to explain it in a way that's not as obvious as just saying, "Here's my topic," like it's something that's come down from above and landed in your lap as a topic that you need to talk about. And again, even introducing yourself, you're probably speaking to a class of people that know you already. And if you're speaking in the real world, people have come to see you speak. They're not just surprised that someone suddenly jumped up and started talking to them about something. So don't introduce yourself, don't say, "Here's my topic," and as much as possible, try not to say, "Firstly, I'm going to talk about, secondly, I'm going to talk about, thirdly, I'm going to talk about." Try not to use the words "in conclusion" or "this is my introduction." A speech is not an essay, which is very important, and we're very fortunate to have that as a thing, because an essay and a speech are completely different things. At the end, you never want to say, "That's it, period, I'm finished, thanks for listening, thanks for coming, thanks a lot." Try and actually finish on a strong point that serves the purpose of your speech, rather than simply saying, "Thanks for coming," and then sort of slinking off at the end. Within your actual speech, there's not too many sins to avoid, but what you really want to try and do is have sequencing words. So if you're listening to someone talk, you want the speaker to give you some indication of where you're at. So you might want to say things like, "However," "although," or "as I move into my final point," just to give people a bit of a sense of, this is heading towards a climax, rather than this is just a long string of ideas spread out all in a big long line. So mostly at the start and at the end is where you're trying to avoid things that are just lame, basically, and you're saying stuff that everyone already knows.